eBay dropshipping in 2020. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be going over eBay dropshipping, and especially for beginners or people who are looking to start. So first of all, I know most of you know what this is, but just to clarify what it is dropshipping is simply the process of a customer paying you for an item that you can get from a local retailer for a cheaper price. So an example of this is customer pays you $50 for a table. You can go to your local retailer and buy the same table for $30, and you ship that directly to your customer and you pocket $20. So a quick, sorry I made a typo there, but a quick sort of just comparison between eBay dropshipping and Shopify is that eBay is free traffic, 10 times easier, and honestly it's the best for beginners. Shopify, you can get more profit and you do control your margins much better, but it is harder and this is my opinion, but I believe it is so much more harder, and you have to be good at marketing. You can have the best store and the best front end, but if you can't complete the back end process and know how to actually get traffic to your website, you're not going to get sales. eBay already has the traffic coming to the website every single day, which is why selling on eBay is really easy and good. So first of all, who am I? I just want to give you guys a background information that I know what I'm talking about because I have done this stuff. So my name is Marcus and I'm a young entrepreneur who has started their e-com journey on eBay. In my first year, I did over $400,000 on eBay dropshipping without any prior experience or knowledge. I just did trial and error. I tested many different products. I worked really hard to learn how to do this. I made so many mistakes, which made me lose a lot of money and profit, especially on my first year. But now I teach what to do, the best ways to make money, the best suppliers, the best products, and how you guys can start your eBay journey and avoid all the mistakes that I made to maximize your profit and start making money as soon as possible. In fact, I actually got a recent student who, after 30 minutes of launching their first 5 listings, made a sale and made $16 profit in less than 30 minutes. Which is really good, especially for your first time trying eBay. So how do you start? Literally, it's simple. You create your eBay account, you list products, and you're done. Now, of course, there's more back-end, there's research, and there's types of products you have to list, but if you just want to start, all you have to do is create an eBay account. Of course, you have to link your PayPal and stuff, but if you already have a PayPal account, it's really done and simple. So how do you find products? That's the next step. This is sort of the main aspect. What products do I list? Well, in my opinion, there's 2 main ways. You can snipe by taking other dropshippers' products, but then you'll have to find other dropshippers, and that can be hard. So my favorite way, especially when starting, was product research. I would go to a local retailer or a retailer that I'm going to snipe the products from. So an example of this could be Amazon or Home Depot or Target. And I would look at what I think would be the best selling products, or I would search on eBay what are the most trending and best selling products. I would take it from the retailer and list it on my eBay store. I did that for about my first month or so, and I was getting a lot of sales. I was making maybe about $500 profit a month, which for me, again, at my first time doing e-com, I thought was really good. More and more I learned about sniping, and that maximized my profit. So first of all, just start off, personally recommend starting off with product research. So SEO and then listing. How do I maximize the people who see my listing? How do I get more traffic to my listing? Titles and the picture. Those are the 2 main ways to actually get traffic to your listing. So a title has to be effective and it has to have the highly searched keyword. There are a lot of tools online that can help you with this. My personal favorite is one called titlebuilder.org. What you do is you just type in what the product is. You can write marble table, press search, and it will tell you, it will give you a title. And then on the site, it will rank all the top searched marble table keywords and put them all into a title for you. So it literally gives you the title, which is perfect. Next bit is your image has to be distinguishable and different, which means every other dropshipper is going to be lazy and they're just going to copy and paste the image. You're not going to do that. You're going to make sure you're distinguishable and your image is different, because if I scroll through marble table, I want it to pop out. So I like to have overlays on my image using colors like blue and red are really good, so that if I scroll down in marble table on the eBay search, I will see a listing that will pop up. And if I am selling the same product as someone else, mine is different and more distinguishable. So with affiliate orders, again, it's a really simple process. The buyer will purchase an item from you. You now have the buyer's name and address. So you're going to take that information, go to the product from the retailer, purchase it, and ship it directly to the customer. Once you get the tracking a few days later, you're going to send that directly to the customer, and the whole process is done and you take the profit. So next thing I get a lot, and it's actually one of the most searched questions on Google, is dropshipping safe and legal? Yes, it completely is. As long as you're not doing anything shifty or any sort of tax evasion laws or whatever you guys are trying to do, everything you're doing here is safe and legal. Is it profitable though? A lot of people saying dropshipping is dead. Yes, it by far eBay dropshipping is and will always be profitable. Again, the best bit about this is that anyone can start, learn, no matter what your skill, age, or knowledge is about e-commerce and eBay. So if you guys do have any questions about this, and you guys want to learn more specifically about eBay dropshipping, I actually have a free training. You guys can contact me and I can send that to you guys. Or if you guys have any specific questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you guys are new for more eBay dropshipping content, and I'll see you guys next time.